All right, this video tutorial is all about open hip transitions with the steel mace. I'll cover a few building blocks and I'll show you how to put them together and make sure that you transition. If you're more comfortable using a 7-pound mace for dance and for balancing on one leg, that might be a good idea. Or feel free to try it out with the 10. This does incorporate a couple drop 360s, so that's why I'll be using the 7. Now, first thing first, see if you can ground on your base leg and come to a tree position. Now see if you can elevate your right leg, point your toe and hold, keeping your left leg really grounded. If you can achieve this position, then you might be able to move into a cross swing, coordinating your mace movement with your leg movement. So try it just unweighted at first and see if you can coordinate that action. So for me, that might look like this. I'll start with my right hand on top, 360 swing going over the left shoulder, catch, allow my mace, I have a shorter mace in this instance. If I had a longer mace, I'd choke up. Swing, coordinate that action, catch. Swing, base, group, root down on that leg, cast, swing, open, return. And you could theoretically do that on both sides. Swinging on the opposite side, I'm swinging over my right shoulder, catching, casting through, open, catch. Coordinate that action of letting your mace swing with your leg. So that's one option. Another option is you can take your mace in a top-down position and try stepping out into a warrior 2 position. So for here, actually I'm going to start here, opposite hand. So my globe will be towards my long leg, stepping out, landing, and here I am in a yoga posture, warrior 2. From here, I can shift my weight into my back leg, come into Skandasana, pull my mace back to heart center, press up. So this could become a conditioning exercise. If you wanted it to become more of a dance move, you could switch. Move it into your shin box. Swing in shin box. Shin box hip extension, we covered this in earlier videos with the 360 swing. Maybe you're adding a drop swing. You can swing your bottom leg out, come to that warrior 2 prep, swing there, add a little squat, flag press, swing. From here, pivot that other leg open, find your warrior 2, swing, take that top hand, press, Skandasana, swing. So it starts to become this movement in a circular pattern. And I'm moving my mace in conjunction with my legs, creating those lines. And every time I take a quarter turn to in a 360-degree circle, and eventually I'll be facing the front of the room. Sticking, finding your landmarks, finding your lines. Another fun yoga move that you can do is take this into a straddle and try to get there without using your hands. Toes pointed, see that your spine is upright, swing. If I wanted to do my Skandasana sequence on the other side, I could close in either direction from here. So doing that just with a mace on your hand, seeing if you can transition from that in that warrior stance, keeping body upright, from straddle to shin box is a nice way to train that, and eventually turns into actually lifting up onto the shin, pivot, open hip stance, Skandasana, make it into a dance, find your momentum. Put a little style points. I like to really arc my spine a bit just to make it look kind of sexy. And the last little bonus is I like to actually use my mace to stretch and add movement here. And that's my own little creation there. It does just my own expression with the mace. But you truly can train your body in dance using the mace. So explore those open hip movements, put them together in a sequence that's unique to you. Stay safe, go slow, break things down when you need to, and enjoy the flow.